did this happen? We are three! We are three! Me, my father, and my mother! No! How do I explain this? 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 I don't have a father. I don't have a mother. It's just me. This world is cruel. This world is cruel. Just one best solution for this. Get out of it. It's better I end it. This life is miserable, empty with nobody. Who are you? How did you get in here? No. Somebody tell me I'm dreaming! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Just wake up! Who opened the door for you? Who showed you the way into this place? Left in a world of your own. What a mess. What a mess. You are not crazy. You can see. I am you. Yes. I am you. You in the future. You are me in the future. Your eyes are not deceiving you. Neither are your sights failing you. I am the same person that you are. Relax. Calm down. Take it easy. And tell me your story. You want to know my story? You want to know my story? My story is dirty, empty, useless. On a second thought, let me help you. You were in an accident. On a journey. Your car somersaulted. Your parents died. And you are the only one that survived. On a journey to the airport to meet your sister in Los Angeles. How did you know? How come you know my story? You are hallucinating. Nothing is real. You have no sister. There was no accident. Nobody died. Your parents died long ago. And you are not in your right senses. Yes, you are drunk. Indeed, you are drunk. No. You don't say that. I am not drunk. I am normal. Can't you see me? I am normal. I can't be drunk. I can't be drunk. I know what I'm saying. 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 How can you have peace? No. There is no peace for the wicked. There is no peace for a sinner. Just calm down. Hold your peace. The police. Did you say the police? Yes! The police. Yes, exactly. I saw the police. They were taking some people, capturing some people. I then ran into the house immediately I saw it. They will soon be at the door. There will be a knock at the door. No, they can't be coming for me. They can't be coming for me. No. No! It's not possible. Aha! Aha! Who is that? Right there! Can you hear the knock? Go ahead. Check who is knocking. Who are you? Who is at the door? Who is at that door? You better say something. If you are the police, I either kill you or you kill me. Say something! Who is at that door? Who is at the door? Speak up. How come I can't find anybody? Where are you? He was here, standing right here. He was here. What is happening to me? What is happening to me? Can you tell me something? Can you please explain to me what is going on? I mean, I opened the door and I saw nobody. No. It's very clear. A man without God have no peace. Oh, you don't say that! Tell me, what is going on? Just relax. Put yourself together. The police is still out there. They have not yet gone. I should wait. They are still at the door? Yes! They are there, waiting for you. They are going nowhere. Just watch it. Didn't I tell you this? Whoever is opening this door, if that's a joke, you better stop it. The doors are opening on its own. That is just the first one. And here it goes again. You better tell me I'm going crazy. You better say that to me. And tell me what is going on. A man without God has no peace. It pains me how you lost your glory. Lost your personality. A soldier becoming a prey. How has the mighty fallen? How has the glory of the king departed? Let me take you somewhere. Mark 10:51. Journey with me. Journey with me to Mark 10:51. Let's see what it says. Let's see what it says. And Mark 10:51 speaking, he said, and Jesus asked the blind man, what do you want me to do for you? Jesus asked him. The blind man said, Rabbi, I want to see. Your sight is lost. My sight? You have eyes, but yet you can't see. Are you saying that I'm not with my sight? I have my sight right here with me. I have it here with me. No. No. You are without eyes. How can a man with sin have an eye? No, I'm with God. Or do I say I was with God? My sight is with me. Can a man scoop fire into his laps without his clothes being burned? You invited the devil and he stepped into you. Leviathan has taken over you. The fire is burning you. You are empty. Empty without a content. Filled, but yet empty. Just look at it. Look how sin is tossing you around. Look how sin is moving you around. You have lost your glory. Let me review something to you. You are not here. You are far away on that journey. You are on a journey. Don't tell me that. What are you saying? That we are not in this environment, but I'm standing right here, right in this house, and you stand there to tell me that everything is not happening in this house. Then where are we? In the forest. It is called the forest of sin. That is where Leviathan left you. That is where your glory was dumped. That is where your personality was emptied. That person God made you to be. That's where it is. Died. Forgotten. Rejected. Cringed. Like a beggar. Let me take you to that place. You are taking me there. Oh, don't make it look like I am crazy. You are crazy. Yes. You are drunk. You forgot the sword. And you possessed the bottle. How can a man have a bottle and yet claim to have light? Light and darkness has no communication. What are you saying? How are you even saying it? Okay, show me. Let's just go. Show me. I need to know the root of my problem. Take me to where it is. Journey with me. Let us go. Let's go on a journey to the forest of sin. A forest where many have been tied. A forest where glory have been emptied. A forest where personalities are forgotten. Next on Forest of Sin. Where are we? Welcome. Help me. Help me. Don't go. Help me. He saw an inscription on the wall. Written, "We were once like you." That was a message the dead was dropping for the living. He was about to leave the mortuary. He saw yet another inscription on the wall written, "You will soon become like us." The dead was leaving a message for the living. He said, one day you will die and your destiny will be wasted. Oh!